This video is going to show your student how to get on IXL at home to practice math. You start at the gateway page here, then you're going to find the tile for IXL. Then this has my teacher username and password typed in. So I can demonstrate for you. I'm going to just use a student username and password. You won't be able to see the password, but okay, so once the username and password are in those boxes, you can click on sign in. Some students may already have those filled in for them, so they can just click the sign in button. And then the first thing you need to do is come here to the pyramid shape in the center that says math and click on math. And then you want to make sure that you are in the first grade section here. So all of these tabs on the side are for different grade levels. Make sure your student is in the first grade section. And then your child's math teacher may have gone in and added stars to certain skills. As long as the skill has a star by it, that means that's a skill your child could work on. I'm going to show you an example of some problems now, just so you can see what happens when a student gets one right and when a student gets one wrong. So each question, if there's anything the child would need to read, will have speaker buttons next to it. So they can click the speakers to hear what the text says. So this one says count the dots, then fill in the missing numbers for tens and ones. So there's only one here, so that means there's 0 groups of 10 and 1, 1. 0 tens plus 1, 1 equals 1. When you're ready, you're going to hit submit, and it'll tell you if you got it right or wrong. Now I'm going to show you what happens when you get one incorrect. So count the dots, then fill in the missing numbers. So I see a group of 10 right here. So this one has 1 10 and 1 1. Now I'm going to get it wrong on purpose, so I'm going to do 0 tens and 9 ones, just so I can show you what happens. Then I'm going to click submit. So it says, sorry, incorrect. Then it gives you a little explanation of what the correct answer is and why. When you're finished looking at this explanation, to go on to the next problem, all you have to do is click on Got It. There's a button up here, or there's one down at the bottom, and then it'll take you on to the next question. If you're ready to work on a different skill, you can just go back up to the pyramid for math. I'm already in first grade, and then I could look through at any of the other ones that have a star and work on those. If you see one that has a medal next to it, for example, this one right here, A8, skip counting by tens. I see in parentheses it has the number 100, and then there's also a little medal right here. That means the student has already finished that skill. They do not need to go in and practice that one again. A score of 100 means they mastered that skill, and when you see that little medal next to it, that's also a sign that they have finished that skill. If you have any questions or problems when you're trying to get your child on IXL, please let your child's teacher know, and we will help you as best we can.